A sign of these sandwich that I could erase it. I didn't want to be living like a number 4. I'll pack my bags when I finally accept my neighbors. I got a feeling that I already know what's in store. I said, shake down, you know you want to kick it with your old friends, but everybody chilling on the front porch. How am I supposed to live? I said, shake down, you want to sip a 40 with your old friends, but everybody chilling on the front porch. How am I supposed to live? And I'm gonna make it better, right? It's getting to the point where I'm no fun anymore. Sorry. Sometimes it hurts so badly I must cry out loud. I am lonely. I am yours, you are mine. You are what you are, and you make it hard. Remember what we've said and done, felt about each other. I am lonely. Don't let the past remind us of what we are not now. You're still dreaming. I am yours, you are mine. You are what you are, and you make it hard. You make it hard. Tuesday morning, please be gone, I'm tired of you. What have you got to lose? Will you come see me Thursdays and Saturdays? Hey, what have you got to lose? Can I tell it like it is? Listen to me, baby. It's my heart, and that's what I want to know. you see me. Thursdays and Saturdays. Hey, what have you got to lose? Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans they made put an end to you and me. I walk out this morning and I wrote down this song. I just can't remember who to send it to. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you. And I could not run through an empty time, my back turned towards the sun. Suzanne, the plans they made put an end to you. Hey, I woke up this morning and I wrote down a song. Sweet dreams and fine machines in pieces on the ground. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you. Thought I'd see you one more time again.
Back to the front porch.
I packed my bags and I finally met my new neighbor. But at that time I didn't have a thing to say. I packed my bags when I finally get to my new house. Shake down, you know you wanna kick it with your old friend. Everybody chilling on the front porch. How am I supposed to live? I said shake down, you wanna sip a party with your old friend. But everybody chilling on the front porch. How am I supposed to live? I've been walking my mind through an easy time, the back door towards the sun. Sweet dreams and fine machine in pieces on the ground. This is for you. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. It's the first time. I've seen all the time that I could not find again. I've seen lonely times when I could not find